nowadays you can get knowledge from social media very easily, so they are learning. Nowadays I heard about artificial intelligence tools, AI or chat gpt. So people are making videos related to chat gpt, that how you can use it, you can learn it from through social media.
How was your
So
day so far, Shilpa ji?
it has been quite hectic today because I'm planning to go back to my home, so I was packing my stuff. So it has been quite hectic.
Right now you are your mama's house.
Yes, yes. So holidays are about to end. So I will go to my home back.
Now how are you feeling?
Yes, not feeling happy because it has been 1 month I have been living here. So I will miss my village. So not feeling happy.
Hmm. So
What
can we
about
discuss
you?
about?
How have you been?
I'm right now I'm in Jaipur because my mummy is not in my hometown. She's right
Mhm.
now out of India. So
Oh,
there,
okay.
so there is no benefit to going my hometown.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Yes, because my brother is living some other country. So right now she
Mm-hmm.
is living with him just
Okay,
for
okay.
2 months.
Okay, okay. After that, she will come back.
Yes, yes. After that she will come back. So can we discuss a
Yes,
small topic?
yes, yes. We can discuss anything.
Hmm. So what do you think about money? Money.
Money, money. I feel money is very important nowadays, and uh, we will not have good life without money, and everyone is running behind money nowadays because everyone wants good health, good house and clothes and good education for their kids. So
Hmm.
yes, money is very important.
But do you think money can solve every problem of the life?
Um, no, it's not like that because I have seen many people all around the world who have lot of money, but still they are struggling with some problems, like if someone is not healthy, and he or she has lot of money, or some people, they have lot of money but they don't have friends, family. Sometimes they feel very alone. So
Hmm.
money can't buy everything, I would say.
Money can't buy relationships, good relationships.
Yes, yes, happiness, satisfaction. Uh, Relations are also important in everyone's life, whether family relations or you have friends, family, you know. So money can't buy happiness. Yes, you should have that much money. You can, fulfill your needs, but it's not that much important that you can buy happiness or health.
Hmm. So money can only buy some practical things like we can collect some funds for good education, for our social
Yes,
security. But when we talk about like happiness, some emotional thing, we can't buy.
yes, yes.
So what's your opinion about knowledge? Because money and knowledge both are connected with each other.
Yes, knowledge is very important because nowadays technology is becoming very advanced and you can get knowledge very easily. For example, we are using social media, so we can get any knowledge, any knowledge. You have that kind of passion that you want to learn something. As we are learning this language, so we are only doing these kind of activities, talking with other, searching for English, audio clips, video clips. So this is the power of social media, and we can get any knowledge. It depends on you how you are utilizing it. And it's good to have knowledge, good to have updated with the time, because
Hmm.
next generation is very advanced. If we will not learn anything, then maybe they feel that they all are fool. Next generation.
But do you think if you have large amount of money, but you are not using wisely, that time really knowledge is really essential for us?
Yes, yes. And you should know how to manage. You can use that money in funding, or you can do many things. Like nowadays, people are doing many things. They are doing share market or something like. I don't have much knowledge about it, but I heard from many people that they are using those money in stock
Fund
market
manager,
or
there are
something
like
like
some
that.
fund manager
Yeah.
also. Yes.
Yeah, so uh, I don't know how do they do that, but it's not my cup of tea. But yes, people are utilizing, they are learning new things, because nowadays you can get knowledge from social media very easily. So they are learning. Nowadays, I heard about artificial intelligence tools, AI or Chat GPT. So people are making videos related to Chat GPT, that how you can use it, you can learn it from through social media.
Hmm. But in some cases I have observed like they have large amount of money, but like their children, sometimes some rich person children are they are not getting good education, and they are doing some I have heard some hit and run case also, where their father are spending so much amount of money, and after that they are getting bail also. So I can say in some matters, if you have large amount of money, they should educate your children some good things, because they always think like I have so much amount of money, I can do everything, because I have so much amount of money, so I can give bribe also.
Yes, yes.
Yes, that's why
Sorry,
I think you should use
I didn't understand. Your voice was breaking in between. Can you repeat again?
saying like in India and some other country, like if you have so much amount of money and your children are doing some bad things, okay, so in
Hmm.
some cases parents are giving some bribe to the officers to release their children,
Yes, yes,
because they are
yes,
using their money power.
yes, yes. Yes, you are right. For that, I think children should understand, parents should make their children understand that you have to do hard work for earning money, and uh, don't waste money like this, it needs a lot of hard work to earn money. So children should understand this thing.
And sometimes like some person is very knowledgeable person, but they have no money, sufficient money to get
Yeah.
admission in a reputed college.
Yes, yes.
That time I can say money is really needed in some cases.
Yes, for example, you have some serious health issues and you want your treatment in a good hospital, then of course you need money for that. And in private hospitals, you need large amount of money for treatment. But earlier I was talking about something. I have seen some people who have lot of money. Some diseases are like that, they are not treatable. So
Yes,
what is the use of that money at that time, if you have that kind of disease that is not curable?
yes. And nowadays, like there is a, you can say nature. We are just earning money. Sometimes we are not enjoying our life.
Yes, yes. It's very important to enjoy your life. I feel that if you have that much of money, then you should also go for traveling with your family members, because it will give you some change, or it will give you some calm. And you children also feel happy when you go outside with your parents. So
Mm.
if someone have that enough money, so you should go outside for traveling.
After the pandemic, I observed like nowadays people's mindset is totally changed. They are giving, more importance to their life, their health also. Before pandemic, the situation is different, but right now situation is different. Do you think like this?
Yes, yes. Yes, time has totally changed now after pandemic, because before pandemic we was not coming virtual this way. But after pandemic, now we get habitual. We are doing meetings and conversations. So life has totally changed now. Now something is happened. So school will they will take online classes of kids,
Mm.
maybe in flood, or in when we have
In,
very high
they're also
winters.
organizing some classes when we are feeling extreme winter.
Yes, yes. When there is extreme winter, so we can take online classes. So we have now alternatives for
Mm.
these things.
Yes. Any question if you have, you can ask to me
Okay.
regarding this topic.
Actually, today I took, 5 and 6 sessions. I have been taking sessions since morning because now I have to go back, so I will not get that much time. So I have been taking sessions since morning, and now I'm really exhausted.
Tell me
But
one thing,
when
like
I
you are going your home, okay? So it is my habit when I am hearing that news, like I'm going to my mummy house, some other places. I'm executing all the things every day. But there are some person who are executing all the things only that day when they are going for their journey. So what kind of you are the person? You are executing all the things only one day, or every day you are just collecting some your articles for packing.
no. No, I do it before one day. Suppose I have to go tomorrow, then I will do planning before 1 or 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
Because I forget the things. So whenever I'm recalling that, I have to keep this thing with me, so I start collecting those things and putting in my bag. So I do it before 2 or 3 days, you can say.
Do you prefer your homemade food or outside food, like some dhaba, some restaurant? Then you are in a traveling.
Um, when if I go for long traveling, then we eat outside, because uh, usually we don't eat outside food at home, because I don't prefer to eat too much outside. But when we go for traveling, so I prefer to eat outside.
But when I
Yes.
am coming from my mummy house, she always make some, food items for me that you should eat this thing.
Actually, my way is not that much far away. It will take only 4 hours from here. So I will eat my breakfast and I will leave for my home. Then it will take only 4 hours from here.
Okay.